Patel. I'm with Interbots. We are a company that makes interactive robots and accompanying mobile apps for children with autism. And we got into this because we originally started out making high-end animatronic robots. And we were approached by an autism researcher who asked us if we'd ever thought about using our robots for autism therapy. And it turned out that cost was fairly prohibitive. Our animatronics are about $80,000. So that didn't go anywhere immediately. But a few months later, we were at a children's event, and we had one of our robots there, and these parents came up to us and said, "Your robot is amazing." And they explained that their son had autism and that he never talked to strangers and he rarely talked to them, and he had been having a conversation with our robot for 15 minutes. And that's when we realized we really needed to do something in this space to help these children, and we've been thinking about moving into consumer robotics anyway, so we decided to make the first consumer robot designed specifically for children with autism, and basically make a more affordable version of our high-end animatronic robot. So this is Popchilla, and he has a lot of the same emotional expression features as our high-end robots. So right now he's pretty happy, but he can also get sad, and sometimes he gets angry, but mostly he's just happy. And therapists can use this remote control that I'm using to puppeteer the robot and try and engage the child. And they can also connect to the robot using mobile devices like iPads and iPhones. So we've created a series of apps. Some of them are designed for therapists to use to puppeteer the robot and engage the child. Like they can push a button that makes Popchilla say, "How do I feel?" and then push a button that makes Popchilla make the sad face, and they try to get the child to engage and say that the robot feels sad. But we've also made some child-facing apps as well. This is an example of Popchilla's World. It's an app designed to help children with autism learn daily routines like brushing their teeth. And the interesting thing about our apps is that we track how children interact with them, and we provide a data service for parents and therapists. So we build a profile of their child, and we can tell them that based on their child's profile, we think that they should try activities X, Y, and Z because other children who have a similar profile have benefited from those activities. And our data service also gives them the ability to do things like assessment and progress tracking. But that's basically what we're creating here is interactive robots and accompanying mobile apps to help children with autism.